Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper airplane. This paper airplane holds the Guinness Book of World Records for longest flight time. 27.6 seconds. Can you believe that? I'll bet if they threw this off a tall skyscraper, it could last longer than that. But anyways, doesn't it look like a flying book from Harry Potter? Something like that. It's kind of square. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to make this paper airplane. It is a good paper airplane. It does have some good hover time, and it's not that difficult. Here we go. Okay, this will be the quick tutorial. So we're going to start off with a regular printer paper. We're going to fold this in half, being as accurate as we can. We're going to make sure that our corners line up and our creases are good. We're going to open this up and we're going to go ahead and fold the center crease just like that. And we're just going to crease the tip. We're going to do the same thing both sides. If I can get this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take and fold from this indicator to this corner. So we're going to go ahead and fold that down, kind of figure out where that is and crease that down. And you adjust as needed. Do the same thing both sides. Crease that down. Then we're going to use right where these 2 points come together is going to be our fold, and then just keep the center crease lined up so that your fold stays straight. Okay, so 1. Then we're going to fold this 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll see the paper starts to bunch. So on 7, what we're going to do is we're going to correct this. We're going to keep this flat, go up, and just let it fold ugly underneath. Doesn't matter what it looks like underneath. It does matter up here. 7 and 8, right? Okay. Then we're going to fold this in half, right back on the crease line, but making sure our wings line up. Go ahead and reinforce that crease. About 1 inch up, we're going to go ahead and fold this back. We're going to make sure that all this side lines up though. Once we do, we just go ahead and crease that. We'll do the same on both sides. Crease that down. Then here, we're going to make a fold from this corner and keeping this back lined up. So we're going to go ahead and fold that. Make sure the back is lined up. And then crease that down, lift that up. Same thing on both sides. Crease that down, lift that up. And then it's just reshaping. And there you have the Guinness Book of World Records longest flying paper airplane. All right, give it a try. Let me know what you think.